before soul come आने से पहले, it has its free will. Everything happened as per its free will. So do we have the free will after we come here?
Okay. You write down in bold letters. Anywhere the soul travels, whether on the planet Earth or in the astral worlds or in the mental worlds or in the other dimensions, in the other star systems, in the other galaxies, wherever, free will is always there. Free will is always there at any given point of time. There are two things you need to understand: destiny and free will. What is destiny? Destiny is something which is destined to happen. That your soul has planned, okay, I want this to happen. Right? And it is destined to happen. That is destiny. That will happen. But how you handle that is your free will. You are meeting somebody, you have to meet somebody in that particular lifetime. So that is a destiny. You will definitely meet that person. But what happens after you meet the person? How you handle the relationship, how you take it forward is your free will. So sometimes people, the souls, they take incarnation in an abusive family. Like the mother is abusive or the father is abusive. It is a destiny. According to the prarabdha karma, they have chosen in the soul plan to settle certain karmic accounts, to learn some lessons. So it is destined to happen from the soul planning stage. So that is destiny. That is bound to happen. But how do you handle it? How do you respond to that situation? That is your free will. If you complain, that means you don't know how to use your free will. The moment complaining comes, that means you don't know how to use the free will. But instead of complaining, when you start understanding, then you realize that you have a free will. Yes, the other person is behaving like this with me, but it is my choice whether to respond or not. So there you use your choice. There you use your free will. Somebody is shouting at you, you don't respond. See, for example, I'm giving you 10 pounds. I want to give you 10 pounds, but you're not interested to take. Then where the 10 pounds will be? It will be in my hands only because you're not willing to take it. So somebody is saying some bad words. If you don't receive it, then where will the words go? To him only or her only.
Yeah.
Right. So it is your free will whether to take it or not. So destiny is something which is that is not in your hands because your soul has planned for it, and it is very important for your soul evolution. So accept it. Accept all the situations of life. This is very, very important. Write it in bold letters. Accept all situations of life, which comes on its own. Whatever comes on its own, which is not in your hands, accept it. And how do you respond to that situation is your free will.